Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sati Kamla. Hope you guys are all doing well. So guys, in today's video I'm going to share a very basic mini haul from Nykaa. So Diwali sale is going on. I just got a few products from Nykaa, so I have everything kept over here. I really like to shop from Nykaa, so there was a good discount on products. I was eyeing on them. So to know what are the products I purchased from this Diwali sale, do continue watching, and if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. And without any further delay, let's get into the video. So yeah, I have kept everything in this box. I received 2 boxes. I just kept everything in one box. So first let me start with the product I really wanted to buy from a long time. So this is the IELF eyeshadow palette. So this is the bite size eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade Truffle. So one of my favorite YouTuber was recommending this. I really like the shades, so she created a look using this palette and I really wanted to try that eye look using this. So this is what it is looking like, and this was having 25% discount. This is priced at rupees 350 actually, but I got it for 280 rupees. So it was a very nice good deal on this bite size eyeshadow palette from ELF. So they have 6 different variants. I've already tried this one of the shade in pumpkin pie. It was a pinky shade. This is something a smoky kind of a thing, and it's very easy to carry as well. So nice to carry this. So you can create a different look, 2-3 looks using this one eyeshadow palette. So definitely you need to try this one, and the pigmentation is also really good. So next we have a product from Miss Claire. This is their blusher. So right now I'm wearing that one. As you can see, it looks very rosy, very pigmented. So I bought the in coral shade. It was very pigmented. If you watched my previous haul video, you might have seen that. So I thought of trying a new shade. So they have almost 20 shades in this blusher. So this is in the shade 03, so which is almost like a pinky kind of a shade. When I applied, as you can see, it looks very pinky, and I really like the pigmentation of this. So I'm gonna swatch a little bit. So as you can see, so when you blend it, it looks almost like a pinky kind of a shade. So you can try multiple shades in this. They have a lot of different shades and very pigmented, and almost 1.5 hours since I applied the blush. As you can see, just bombing on my cheeks. I really liked it, and this also priced at rupees 280 rupees. Actually this priced at rupees 295. They had a 15 or 20% discount on this blush, so definitely you need to grab this one. The next product I was eyeing is the ELF Camo Concealer Sponge. So I have tried their another sponge, which is a bigger one, the pink one. Haven't tried this sponge. Most of the YouTubers were raving about this sponge. I really wanted to try this from a long time, but it was always out of stock, and this time it was on stock. So I grabbed this 20% discount. I bought it for 480 rupees. So if I haven't mentioned wrong price, please don't mind. Please, prices are keep on changing, so you can go and check with the link I am gonna mention in the description box. So yeah, this one. So in my next video, definitely I'm gonna try the Camo Concealer and let me know my thoughts on this. So the next product I have is from Flower Beauty. So this is what it looks like. This is Blush Bomb. This is a liquid blush. I haven't tried a liquid blush from this brand. I really wanted to try, so I got in the shade Bitten. So this is a little bit pricey. This is 680 rupees. So this is actually priced at rupees 800 rupees. They had 20% discount on this product. So this is what the original packaging of the Blush Bomb looks like. I'm gonna swatch a little bit for you. Oh, it comes like that, as you can see. Oh wow. I'm gonna swatch very tiny bit. I'm gonna have dotted like that. So we get 9 ml of the product. That is a huge amount. Oh wow, as you can see guys, so pigmented. Wow, and it's blending beautifully. Wow, really nice. Super pigmented. I definitely gonna try in my next video. I'm gonna share my opinion on this. So next we have a lip liner from Kiko Milano. Last time I tried one lip pencil which is the shade called Chocolate, so I thought to go ahead and try one more shade. So this is in the shade 535. I think it's a reddish shade. So I'm gonna swatch. Oh wow, as you can see, it's a beautiful red shade. It's almost like a maroonish kind of a red. I really like to go with this kind of a shades on the festive season, so definitely need to check this out. I really like the way the pigmentation, everything is really nice. So right now I'm wearing the shade called chocolate on my outline. As you can see, so pigmented, so definitely you need to check this out. So this is also priced at rupees 280 rupees. They had a 15 or 20% discount on this. Definitely I'm gonna grab all the shades from this range. One by one I'm started purchasing. Definitely you need to check this out. So the next product I bought is the Nicka K True Matte liquid lipstick. So this is in the shade wine berry. It's a beautiful berry shade. It's a dark berry shade. So I had one more shade in this range. I really like the pigmentation, everything, so I bought it. As you can see from the swatch, super berry shade. I really like to try this kind of shades for festive seasons. As you can see, really pigmented. Definitely you need to try this range. It's so nice, so pigmented, and it's a matte finish, and it doesn't have any kind of dryness to the formula, so you definitely can try this lipstick for this festive season. So they have a lot of different shades, and they'll be having good discount on this Nicka K True Matte liquid lipstick. So actually this is priced at rupees 495 rupees, and they had 50% discount on this, so I grabbed this one. So yeah, and also as you can see, it dried and it looks very pigmented. So the last product from this range is a perfume. So this is what it looks like. So this is the I Love Rock by Shakira. I really wanted to try a lot of different perfumes this time. I don't know why I am just grabbing towards perfume this time. So I got this one. This had 50% discount. I haven't smelled it. Let me try it. Oh wow, the packaging was really nice. This is the packaging of the perfume, and it smells nice also. Let me try. Oh, it has a florally scent. It has a different scents. I don't know how to explain this, but it has a little bit of floraliness, little bit of sweetness. It has a really good scent. I'm generally not that good at perfumes, but this one is really nice. It's smelling beautifully. I'll be keep on trying this, and I'll let you know in coming videos. So the packaging is also very sexy, no? I really like the packaging. So guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy watching a very mini haul from Nykaa. So hope you enjoy watching this, guys. If you enjoy, please give this video a big thumbs up, comment below what is your opinion, and do let me know what are the products you shopped from Nykaa for this festival season. And I'm gonna mention all the names and links for the products which I mentioned in this video. So if you wanna purchase anything, do use my code, guys, so that I get a little bit of commission through that, so that I can buy a lot of good stuffs, and I can review for you also. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Happy Diwali, happy shopping, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, take care.